Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily color grade your videos with this blue night coloring on CapCut. So here you just need to add clips, and for the color grading you need to use two layers. So for the first one, you just need to go to adjust and follow this setting. So for the brightness, I'm going to increase it to 6. And then I'm going to go to HSL. Now click on the yellow color and lower the hue to -50. Now click on the blue color, set the hue to -30. And then the saturation 20. And luminance -28, like this. And now on the purple, lower the hue a little bit. Okay, now go back and find the temperature and lower it all the way to -50 and the hue -3. Okay, so this is for the first layer. So just click on a check icon, go back and click on adjust again. This is for the second layer. Go to shadow and increase it to around 12. Now for the temperature, lower it to -21 and the hue -25. And you are done. So there will be two coloring like this, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.